Welcome everyone in today's video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can download and install Bitcoin trading investment app in your mobile device. So let's get started. To download the app in your mobile device, first you need to go to Play Store and then you can search for the keyword Bitcoin investment trading app here in the search bar of the as you can see, you searched it. You can also see the Bitcoin trading investment app in the search result of the search bar. Just click on it and then you can simply click on install to get ready the app. This can take some time. Just be patient.
You're not going to get that out. So you get the latest video. I'm seeing now looking loudly.
As you can see, the app has already been installed in my device. Let's check it out the app section of the device. So this is the app.
If you find our content useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below.